Thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. I want to show you my second oldest lighter that I have. As you can see, it is a 3-barrel hinge, where the middle barrel is wider than the outside 2 barrels. That's the bottom stamp. I believe it is a 1949. I could be mistaken, but that's how I have it listed as in my collection. Being a 3-barrel hinge, it's really loose because I guess it was really well used. Has a nice older insert, which I had to clean up as well. The original asbestos wick. This is another one of those lighters that I got for cheap. I think I got it for around $20, which I can't complain about, especially with it being a 3-barrel hinge. I'll have to fix that one of these days. I'm just not too confident in myself and being able to do it correctly. I'm sure people who have watched my channel before know that this is my oldest lighter because I made a video about it already. This is my 1946 14-barrel chimney. That's the bottom stamp on that one. It is nickel silver with a nickel silver insert. I'm not sure if you can tell with this one or not, but the case is just a little bit taller than the normal cases, even at that time period shortly after. Hope you like what you see. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.